Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 20th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro-US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar monthly time frame, it definitely looks to me like this wave 3 of an expanding flat is playing out very nicely. I think we are very, very clearly going to go up and make a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of an expanding flat wave C, which should have it up above these previous highs. Now this is the monthly time frame that potentially could take a year or more to play out. So let's go down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this wave 5 is the end of a wave 1, and I think this ABC that I have marked is a wave 2, and then that makes this right here a wave 1 of 3. WXY wave 2 of wave 3, and if this really is a wave 3, then yeah, there definitely will be pullbacks, but it should, at least on the weekly time frame, continue to make higher highs, higher lows in this big wave 3 of an expanding flat wave C. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I got my Fibonacci extension measured the last trend projected out the bottom of the last correction, just for areas of resistance. I think this is likely a 1, 2, 3, so we're in a subdivision right now, a trend within a trend, and most likely we're in a wave 3 of that trend. I don't really expect this to be over. I think that we have a pretty decent amount of upside potential left. This line right here actually represents the high of the previous trend. So maybe that is where this is going to eventually, end a wave 3, make a wave 4, make a wave 5, and end the trend that started right here. So anyways, let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I would pay attention to these fib levels for areas of resistance, but yeah, I definitely would be looking for longs on the sort of time phase. At least for now, the trend is definitely up, so the trend is your friend, and I definitely would continue to look for longs on these sort of time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, if you've been following along with my videos, then you probably are holding a long, or you at least been long a few times over the last several weeks. I definitely am still looking for longs. I mean, we got a little bit of a pullback started, so maybe it's going to make a bigger, more proper looking pullback before it goes up. Maybe it's just going to drift up from here. Either way, all I know is that I'm only looking to go long, and I'm only looking to go long on pullback. So if it does make a nice little three-way pullback, that should give us a really nice opportunity to go long. You could even maybe put your Fibonacci retracement on this last little push up right here. Look for 3 waves down, look for a Fibonacci bounce, look for a nice engulfing move at a fib level to go long again for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.